So this is a positive signal side green cable. Number seven, polarity of the cardot. Now it is positive option. I will change positive to negative, okay? Disarm, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold this start button 2 seconds, you will hit B, okay? 1 0 is a negative, default 1 0, okay? Yes, and AUX, okay. Now let me check if it is successful. Just you see in this video, I use this green cable to touch the negative, okay, to the negative, positive. I touch the positive signal. Now I will check if it is successful setting. I will use this green cable to touch the ground, okay. Yes. Okay, success. Disarm. Okay. Now I will change negative to the positive again, okay? Okay, now disarm. Must be disarm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Hold this start button 2 seconds. Yes. I will change 0, 1. Confirm disarm. Yes. AUX execute program. Okay. In arm. Okay, let me check. Just is negative. I use this. Negative. Okay, setting is finished. Disarm. Okay, let me set it again. Negative. I will change it to positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold this 2 seconds. Yes, you will hit B. Okay. No. To the positive. Okay. Positive. Confirm. Okay. Now. No response. Negative. No. Arm. No alarm. Okay, negative becomes positive, okay? Disarm. Okay. Yes, setting successful. Let me tell you steps, operative steps. Firstly, disarm. Okay. Secondly, press this button, reset button 5 times. Your turn note flies 4 times, start making 4 sounds. And then hold this start button for 2 seconds until you hear B sound. Release your finger, and then you press this start button again and again fastly, and you will see the flash number, and you choose the 7 number. Okay. Press this disarm button to confirm the setting. Lastly, press this AUX button to execute the program. Okay. In other functions, you also follow this the same operation. You just, for example, if your car is manual, you need to choose the one, and you press the disarm button to confirm the setting, and you press start button to choose option 1 or option 2. 0, 1 is default, 0, 2 is option. Okay, and you choose disarm button to confirm the setting. Okay, this is a program video. I tell you how to operate the program. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.